Hello, everyone, and welcome to our International Malcolm Day special interviews of Chhatrapati Awardees. Our awardee today is a very special person. She's the first awardee in Chhatrapati Award in female category, and she's my favorite because I started learning Malcolm from her. And she's none other than Nanda Shinde. And she's now known as Anjali Desai, but I'm going to call her Nanda Tai because I knew her like that. Hi, Nanda Tai.
Hello, Aditi. Hello, everyone.
Nanadi, my first question to you is how did you start learning Malcolm and with whom? And how did it all started at what age?
I remember when I was 9 years old, once I just went to Dadar Chowpatty, and there on the Shivaji Park, I have seen gymnastics, Malkam activities going on. And I was so fascinated with that activity. Immediately, started, like, I was just behind my mother that I want to start this activity. And my mother also agreed that I can do that activity because my brother took the responsibility to go along with me every day to Vamshala. And it was very nice experience. We both used to go to Vamshala by walking, and a nice experience it was.
Nice. Yeah, I think half of Vamsha started learning Malcolm like that because we all do Malcolm outside on the open ground. So everybody who is passing by watches us doing, and if they like it, they join. But everybody doesn't reach to the level you have reached, Nandatai. It's really creditable. You're the first Chhatrapati awardee. But Nandati, I want to ask you, ki, how did it start? Like there are a lot of people in Vamsha that time were doing gymnastics, and gymnastics was very famous. Then how did you choose Malcolm?
Actually, in 1980s, when we started gymnastics, Malkham yoga, initially we used to do all three activities. And actually, Aditi, if you see that all three activities are connected, interconnected with each other, because the base was the same. And so it was helping to coordinate with each other, that it was helping each other. So we used to do all three activities. I remember I participated in Pavanputra Ram Mandir State Championship when I was 11 or 12-year old. And that time I was the first in all three, Malkham, rope Malkham, gymnastics, and yoga. In all three competition, I was first, and all my coaches were very happy. But afterwards, competition started begin increasing as everyone started taking interest in sports and working very hard. So my coach Sanjeevani Purnapatre, she told me that you're very good in Malkham, so it's better to focus on only in Malkham, and you can do gymnastics and yoga also, but main focus you should do on the Malkham. And I also listen to her advice, and along with my coaches Sanjeevani Purnapatre, my main coach was Sangeeta Joshi, then Deshpande sir, Shashikant sir, Shreyas sir, Sunil sir, Swati Tai, and obviously after some years, Nita Tai also joined. So it was very good journey, learning from all the expert coaches in Vamshala.
Yes, Anadi. Like I also remember when I started learning, we also used to learn everything: gymnastics, malkham, asana, yogasana. But when you start winning medals in particular sport, then you focus on that more. And I think the speciality of Samarth Vyam Mandir is learning from all the teachers together because we don't have any special coach or we don't have any special tai. We basically learn have expertise in like each and every teacher of our have expertise and they want to give 100% to their student, and that's why Samartha Mandir is still famous and it's still they have good competitors around. Nandadi, the next question is like when you are the first Chhatrapati awardee, when you received the award, like how was the entire atmosphere of Samartha Mandir? Like how it was like a fest, it must be like a festival, right?
Yes, actually, you can say like that only. Uh, when I got a Chhatrapati award, when the announcements had done, so that time we were practicing in Vamshala, and I guess my brother was at home, and he saw on the television that I got a Chhatrapati award, and he was having bicycle, but he was so happy that he forgot to took his bicycle, and just 10-20 minutes he was just running, and he came to Vamshara by running. When he came to Vamshara, like he could not able to speak also, and when we come to know that I got a first Chhatrapati in Malkham for female category, everyone was so happy. Everyone whole the Vamshara in the assembly they clapped, and it was a very nice, pleasant environment. And like everyone was getting the pedhas and mithais, and it was very nice. I still remember that moment, and it was one of my best moment, you can say.
Yeah, I'm sure. I wish I was there that time. Uh, Nandati, my next question is, when you received the award, did your life changed after that, after being a Chhatrapati awardee?
Yes, you can say it changed, not very much, but there you get one a confidence in your personality that reflect. And obviously, because of Malkham, I have learned so many things in the life, which is helping me still in my actual life also. So obviously, it become a difference when you become Chhatrapati award winner. Everyone start giving you respect, and it changed a little bit.
When you work hard for so many years in that same field, and then some appreciation you get, you feel really good. But Nandati, now you're working in gymnastics field. So does your experience from Malkham count there? How are you? How is everything going right now with your work and Malkham and gymnastics?
Yes, actually, it helps. As I told you earlier, the base of Malkham gymnastics and yoga is same. Or for any sportsman, what you require is your hard work, then your passion, desire, extreme desire, not only desire, extreme desire to achieve something. And that things also help us. Also, because of Malkham, my confidence boost up. Then how to achieve our goals without hurting seniors or players, that I have learned from the Malkham when I was doing Malkham. So all these things helps us when we are doing in gymnastics also. While coaching the students, it helps me a lot.
Yeah, it's very important to respect your seniors and maintain the good environment around while you're winning. That's so true. Another, when you were learning Malcolm, uh, did did your coach or did your uh, teachers, who were one of the teachers, did they give you any one specific element or any hint or any tip which helped you in your life throughout?
Yes, I remember Aditi, like Sanjutai always used to say that you have to more focus on your quality preparation, and that actually helped me up. You should be well planned before doing any activity. I feel that for any activity, whether it is a sports or any performing arts or studies, you should live with that activity. It means like while they like just I remember when I used to go to Vamshala, we used to remember what we have done exercises at while sleeping also. Before sleeping also I used to visualize what I'm going to do, how my performance is going to help me up. So all that visualization factors and all, it helps now also to us.
Yes, I think it should become part of your life. Otherwise, it's very difficult to achieve something like this. Yeah. Nandate, do you have any special memory from any competition or any demonstration or entire Malcolm career?
So many memories are there, Aditi. We used to go for many camps also. We used to participate in many competition. But for everyone, what I can say, when I was in my 10th, when I was giving my SSC board exam, the same year, my coach Deshpande sir said, in our Vamshala, we are hosting the first All India Mayors Cup Championship. It was actually second Mayor Cup competition, but at the All India level, it was the first competition, and it was my first open competition also. Means before that, we used to participate in our own age group, like junior age group, yeah, sub junior age group. But it was an open competition in which all the juniors, seniors, everyone used to participate. And Deshpande sir told that ki, I know it's coming with your exams, but I want you to prepare for that, and you have to participate in this competition, and you have to do well. So first I was like a little bit worried about that, but then afterwards I managed. And I remember after my geometry paper, straight away I went to the uh, competition arena, and it was such a nice competition arena. That competition was on the podium, first podium competition in Malkham, I think so. And it was totally different experience for all participants, because see, when you stand on the podium and whatever you are performing on the podium, obviously your height of the performance increase from the ground, uh, as normal when you are standing on a normal competition. So it increases also. In the rope Malkham especially, there you get a wind effect also as you go more high in the air. So wind force is also matters, and that can make you the trouble if the rope, uh, because of more swing or something, if it can disturb your routine whatever you are doing competition. So we have to really balance all that things. You have to adapt with that environment, and from exam to straight away to competition, you have to change your total mindset also. So it was really challenge at that time, but I enjoyed that scenario. It was very nice. Whole the stadium was full of audience, full of Malkham lovers, and so much of cheerings was there. But obviously, focusing only on our performance. And as the main, what you can say, na, main beauty was team championship of that competition. And it was really fun. Like I always used to love team championship, because in that, as you finish your first set, second set, your points changes. There is a marginal difference in that, you can see. And automatically that excitement is there. We have to do give our best for our team, and that makes a lot difference. Obviously your performance also do automatically, your level of the performance increase. So it was very nice experience. Almost 2 days we were there for the competition, and after competition a lovely delicious dinner was there. There we have all friends from the clubs, and even from the different state also. We had there were where everyone is having their own groups, but I remember we having that gulab jamun competition, and it was a real enjoyment of that competition. And I guess midnight, 1 o'clock, I must have reached home. And then afterwards, immediately after 3 hours studies, I attempted my next history paper. So don't ask me. The situation was, everyone was like, my school friends' parents were congratulating my mother, but my mother was so tense because she was the only witness of all my struggle and all my tension. Finally, it was a exam. Of course, we took every exam seriously, but there is a weightage board exam, in especially in the Maharashtra. So it was a lovely experience, and I learned from that how to balance our activities in future also. Now when we are teaching in the school, we have to balance our household activities plus professional life. So we have learned from that. We can say that.
Yes, Anadya, I can relate to you so much because same thing happened with me also. Maybe we are from the same institute, so Mayor Cup is very, very important for us. And I also participated first time in Mayor Cup when I finished my ninth standard exam and I just appeared my 10th. And same like first open competition and I stood first the way you stood. I can totally relate it to you. Like being into an open category when your seniors are competing, like you're competing with your seniors, and when you you stand first, it's a
I
different
will
kind
like
of
to add
pleasure.
one more incident, Aditi. When we went to the Arunachal for the promotion of Malkham Yoga, so it was a very good experience. Like we were like that time 4 5 days we used to take reach Manipur, and after 3 or 4 days, suddenly there was a Assam Bandh and train stopped. So whole day, almost whole full day, we were at station only, not on platform also, in between only somewhere. And all the stuff, whatever like parents used to give, na puran puri, paratha, everyone's tiffins were finished. There was nothing to eat for us, but still whole day we went to each everyone's house. Then there we got a rice. Then we played the cricket match. We also did our gymnastics flips and all on the place. So it was like a for us. It was like a picnic only. And I remember so much of enjoyment we did. Even it was Assam Ban. So I think because of all these things, we learn to adaptability, you can say, how to adjust with any circumstances without giving any excuses, and how to enjoy not only sports but other activities also. And enjoyment is actually in ourselves only, that we learn from all these scams, you can say, from the competition. And many more memories are there. It is very nice to express all these things to everyone.
Yes, Nandati. I remember, Nandati, I was also there in that Arunachal Pradesh with you. That was my first
Yes.
outstation demonstration, and we had so much fun despite of train was not working. I think Deshpande sir must have a lot of tension about it, but we kids, as kids, we were just playing. We got down from the train and we were playing on the between the uh, like trains and everything. So it was more fun. Another thing I remember, we went together to London also for a demonstration. That was also very good
Yes.
trip. I think that was your last one. But we had so much fun there.
Yes, it was very nice. I remember we have clicked the photographs. We went to some schools, and there also we had given the training to many students, and it was very nice experience for all of us. I guess Valshatai was also there with us, and we have done Jaladipasna, and it was fantastic. Very long memories, like never ending memories, you can say. It cherish
Yeah, never
us
ending
when we
memories.
remember all these things.
Yeah, I think that helps to like people nowadays focus only on the competition, but these things around it helps us to bond with each other. The bonding improves, the relationship improves, and you learn so many things from each other. Uh, Nandati, my next question to you is your kid in the same field? Is he you have a son, right? So is he in the same field, or you wanted him to be in the same field because you are such a big celebrity in this field?
Actually, when he was very small at the age of 4, I first introduced him to gymnastics at Prabodhan Thakre Palve when he was, I guess, 3.5 year old or 4 year old. He was enjoying activity. It was not like that he was not enjoying the activity. Because basically gymnastic is the base of any what we can say na, gymnastics Malkham is a mother game of any sports, abcd of any sports, you can say. So he enjoyed that 6 months that activity, but his main interest was towards swimming that time, and he used to run towards swimming pool. So i I decided, let's give respect to his passion, his enjoyment, and then we started swimming for some time. Then afterwards, he used to do swimming, cricket, both activity together. But now finally he focus on only cricket, and he's doing well. So we are happy for him. He is doing well in studies also and doing well in the cricket also. And we just love that he is following his passion. So I'm happy with that.
I think it's very important to give importance to what kids want to do, because ultimately, if they are not happy, they will not give their 100%. Nanadi, do you want to give some message to all these new students and new players, new competitors of Malcolm Gymnastics?
Yes, definitely, Aditi. First, I will like to congratulate everyone, all Malcolm lovers, whether they are the coaches, players, or parents, or well wishers. They have choose a very nice game. As we all know, Malcolm is the only game which give you a maximum exercise in minimum time. And I will like to congratulate them because this game is something different from what others doing. So I will tell them, you have came into the proper game, so be proud, enjoy your game, keep working hard with your extreme desire, because nowadays in all activities, any games you are doing, there so much of passion is there and so much of competition. So it's very important that you have to do with your extreme desire. Then your hard work is equally important. Quality time. See, nowadays we can observe there are so much of stress in the studies. At our time it was not so much of studies matters, but nowadays the studies level also increase. So what I can say now, you can give your quality time. Along with your quality time, you enjoy your activity. And it's okay. You what I always tell my student, Aditi, till the end of the day, or whatever, the till the before the competition, you do whatever you want to try, whatever you want to practice, you do it everything, so that afterwards you don't feel that, "Kyare, I should have practiced that thing. If we could have practiced that uh, core exercise, or we could have concentrated." So don't keep anything behind. Whatever the best you have to give, you give your best. And then don't think about the result, because basically, as a player or as a coach, what is important is whatever we can give best with your whatever sources you have. So always we should try to give our best. Whatever the result will come, that I feel that is doesn't matter much, because once you finish with your homework, then it's okay. Sometimes somebody wins, somebody loses. We should enjoy that activity. So I feel that that is also and main thing is you learn from your mistakes. Sometimes it happen. Some mistake. See, human being is there. Every human being, we have some mistakes. So we should learn from mistake, not to try to repeat the same mistakes, and try to achieve our goals and enjoy. So success will automatically follow you.
Another very nice message. I'm sure everybody will be very. It will help them in their career and in the future for them. My next question and last question to you, Nandate, is now the Malkham game is getting bigger. It is going international, and it has more, like during your time or during my time also. We used to explain people that I do this sport, and they used to ask us which what is that sport, and then we had to explain them. But now everybody knows Malkham. It's going international, and now maybe we'll have Arjuna awardees in future in this game. So, do you regret that you feel like I would have been in this life now, or you want to take your real life and start the game again? What do you feel?
No, I don't regret as such, because when I used to do Malkham and gymnastics, I enjoyed that whatever the my span was there. So I enjoy that my career, and nothing I kept something ki we could have done. Whatever was possible that time, so I have they did with that. So I was happy. Even yes, after looking at World Championship, I feel that time if it could have the World Championship, it was a pleasure. But it's okay. Now also we can contribute. It's not necessary you should contribute from player point of view only. I can contribute from the volunteer or as a judge I can contribute. And whatever I will able to give best to my game. So it's my responsibility actually. So because today whatever I am there because of my game, and it helps me a lot in my day-to-day life also. So I am happy with that whatever I have done. But definitely in future I will like to take a responsibility, start from me only first, and will like to grow our game. um, I think now we reach at international level. That is very good. It was a very nice competition. I remember last year we had, and I never expected such a beautiful performances from outside India players also. All the coaches have taken the lot of effort to give the to take the Malkham competition at higher value. So first, I will like to congratulate them. But I feel ki in future also, for the growth of Malkham, we should not stop here only. We should work more harder. As in, recently only I heard that ki Khelo India also like to promote Malkham in future. So I guess we should take advantage of that, and we should plan something we can from television or from Doordarshan. We can popularize our game more by showing their basics and by showing different clips. Nowadays we have so much of soft copy for the Malkham. So if we can introduce that, so it will be the better and pleasure. Plus, I will like to add on that if we could add the Malkham as a main game in the schools, different schools, as a base of the any sports. As I said, it's a motherhood game. Gymnastic is a motherhood game. Similarly, Malkham is also the base of any sports. So if we could add that, it will be real pleasure for us. Thank you, Aditi, and thank you, everyone. I will like to wish everyone for fourth International Malkham Day, giving my best wishes to all Malkham lovers on the fourth International Malkham Day. It was
You,
really
Nandade. It
nice
was
talking to
great
you.
having you here. It was like a chit chat session for me, and just revising all the memories was really fun. Thank you so much for coming.